Now here you can see clearly that it is written microgenesis. So what is basically microgenesis? Microgenesis is actually the formation of microspore. Now what is microspore? Microspore is actually the male gamete in a flowering plant. Now see, in this diagram, we had already used this diagram in the earlier part. Now we will be dealing with, you see the part here, as I had told you, that it is known as a microsporangium, and here you see the microspores, they are packed tightly. So this is the compact structure, and in this second diagram you see the microspores are actually, they are bigger in size. You see the microspores are basically bigger in size, and now onward this microsporangium is known as the pollen sac, and each microspore, it is known as the microspore mother cell. So this microspore mother cell was microspores in the previous one. Now see, all the pollen grains are gradually growing bigger in size and all are undergoing microsporogenesis, but for your understanding I have made it in 4 different ones. Now you see this microspores, you see these are bigger in size, and in the last one here you see I have drawn only 2. Now see, this microspore mother cell is capable of, microspore mother cells is capable of spore, they are also known as sporogenous cell, and they are capable of undergoing meiosis. Okay, so they are known as the sporogenous cells that is capable of producing microspores. You see sporogenous cells clearly, can you see it? Sporogenous cells, they are capable of producing microspores. Clear? So these microspore mother cells, they are basically diploid in nature. So after this, they are diploid in nature, and you see these diploid in nature, and they form 2 to 4 you can see. So that means what? They undergo reductional division, meiosis. So each microspore mother cells produces tetrad, 4 different cells. They are all connected to other. You see in the third one I have drawn it and written as a tetrad. Why tetrad? Because these 4 cells that have undergone meiosis they are connected together. Now in the last phase, where you see it is blank, this 4 tetrad cell, they all separate out. The 4 tetrads separate out, and they are all haploid microspores. These haploid microspores, later they digest these portions, and through the help of callose, an enzyme, and they are out of the anther lobe and way to the stigma. So this is the process by which microgametogenesis, male gamete is produced, and here each sporangium cells, microsporogenous cell, which later gets converted into microspore mother cells, they form the anther, you can see, and each anther has got an exine and entine layer, and this structure of the pollen would be dealt with in the next class.